Okay, so this little video is just going to be about this door here. So it is a bit weird how they've drawn it in, but it looks to me like a sliding door that comes out of a wall across this space. So what I'm going to do is just show you how to modify an existing wall that we created. So I want this wall to actually come out to there, and then I'm going to show you how we can actually just create our own cavity and sliding door and put it in place. Alright, so in order to do that, what I'm going to do first of all is get a guideline, go down to the bottom here and bring it out 820. That is a pretty standard door entry size. So then what I can do is get inside my wall group, because I want to push pull this to where my guideline is. Okay, so made that modification, and then the next thing I want to do is create a guideline that goes halfway along here. So 45 is half my wall thickness. And then what I might do is maybe make this about a 50mm thick sliding door cavity. So let's go 25, enter, and then this one here, 25, enter, and then a guideline that comes up 2100, same as that entry door. That gives us the top of the door line. Alright, so now I should be able to get my rectangle, bring it down here, about to there, push pull. This time I'm going to go inside the wall, and a gap is about 820 for the door entrance, so I might just make it a little bit greater than that. So let's go 850, or even 900, and we've got our cavity space in there. Okay, so next what I want to do, exit the group, and really quickly just draw a rectangle. Now I might just snap it to the axes that I want, and I'm going to drive it to be a certain size. So I'm going to say I want this, instead of 820 wide, let's go 900, comma, and 2100 high. Okay, and then push pull, and we'll make it 50 deep. Okay, for this I haven't left any clearance in here, but that might be something you could consider, but I'm happy with just making it the same size as the cavity. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go down to here, and well, actually triple click on this and make it a group, and then also tag it under doors. Alright, now I'm going to move it. Now I could move it first of all there, and then I might just grab, maybe, let's see if I can grab the center point and slide it out a little bit. Okay, so exiting the group, and you can see we've put our sliding door in. Alright, so one other thing that we probably need here is that wall to come down over the top. Again, similar to before, I'm going to get inside my walls group. Okay, so you can see I'm inside the group now. I can pick on things like that surface, and I'm going to get my rectangle tool, place it over there, see if this works. I'm going to delete that surface that's just gone in there, push pull. I want this to go down to the height of that. Alright, and I'm just going to click on that surface and get rid of that as well. Okay, so I'll leave that little modification, that video where it is, and we'll go on to the next one.